Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0461 indicates a potential issue with the fuel level sensor circuit in the Honda CR-V 2023 and later models. This specific code relates to the fuel gauge sending unit, which is responsible for measuring the fuel level within the tank. The fuel gauge sending unit works in conjunction with the powertrain control module, PCM, to supply accurate readings of fuel levels to the gauge on the dashboard. It is crucial to ensure accurate fuel readings for effective vehicle operation and driver information. The location of the fuel gauge sending unit is integrated within the fuel tank unit, which means accessing it requires dropping the fuel tank for inspection or replacement. Understanding the nuances of this DTC will lead to more efficient diagnostics and repairs, ensuring vehicle reliability and safety. The fuel gauge sending unit plays a vital role in determining the amount of fuel in the tank, which is indicated on the dashboard gauge. It is integrated within the fuel tank unit, making it a crucial component for fuel level readings. The unit operates by using a float mechanism that moves with the fuel level and sends a corresponding voltage signal to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM then interprets this signal and displays the fuel level to the driver. This function is essential as it helps prevent running out of gas and allows for calculating fuel efficiency. A malfunction in this unit may result in incorrect readings, which can lead to driving issues and fuel mismanagement. Therefore, ensuring that this component operates correctly is paramount in vehicle maintenance. Several potential causes could lead to the storage of the DTC P0461. One common issue is refueling with small amounts of fuel, specifically less than 1.3 US gallons each time, which can confuse the fuel level sensor. Additionally, draining fuel during repairs can also result in discrepancies in fuel readings, as the sensor might not reflect accurate levels. Another contributing factor is driving on sloping roads or constant cornering, which can affect the fuel's positioning in the tank and lead to inaccurate sensor readings. Each of these conditions may interrupt the PCM's ability to effectively gauge fuel levels, resulting in the P0461 code being stored. Correcting these behaviors is essential for accurate fuel level measurements and can help prevent this error from reoccurring. Drivers may experience several symptoms associated with a P0461 error code. The most noticeable symptom is inaccurate fuel gauge readings, which may display either too high or too low fuel levels. This can lead to confusion regarding fuel availability and may result in running out of fuel unexpectedly. Additionally, there may be engine performance issues caused by the PCM's incorrect readings, as it relies on accurate fuel levels to optimize fuel consumption and engine performance. The dashboard may also show warning lights indicating an issue, prompting the driver to check the fuel system. Recognizing these symptoms early can aid in promptly addressing the problem, minimizing the risk of operational disruptions and ensuring vehicle safety. The first troubleshooting step involves communicating with the vehicle owner to determine the refueling history. Inquire if the vehicle has been refueled repeatedly with quantities less than 1.3 US gallons, 5 liters per visit. This is an essential step, as such refueling habits can lead to the storage of the P0461 code due to inconsistency in fuel levels. If the customer confirms this behavior, refer them to the vehicle's owner's manual for guidelines on proper refueling techniques. This step is crucial to ensure that refueling practices do not inadvertently contribute to sensor misreadings, allowing for a thorough diagnosis. This foundational knowledge provides insights that can guide further investigation into the specifics of the fuel system. Establishing clear communication is key to effective vehicle diagnosis. The second step in troubleshooting involves conducting a fuel gauge sending unit test. This test aims to verify the functionality and accuracy of the fuel gauge sending unit. During this procedure, mechanics will check the sensor output to ensure that it reflects the correct fuel level in the tank. This process is critical because any discrepancies in sensor readings may confirm that the unit is malfunctioning and must be replaced. Additionally, it allows for a more detailed examination of the wiring and connections involved, ensuring that all components function correctly. A successful test outcome will indicate that the sensor is operating within its normal limits, whereas failure may necessitate further investigation or component replacement. This step is integral to isolating the source of the issue related to the P0461 code. After troubleshooting and making any necessary repairs, it is vital to perform a final repair verification. This process starts with clearing any stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, related to the P0461 error. Subsequent to clearing the codes, it is essential to verify that the fuel gauge functions correctly. This can be done by observing the fuel gauge as the vehicle is driven under normal conditions. The fuel level should accurately reflect the amount of fuel present in the tank. Additionally, the PCM should not store the P0461 code after the repairs. This final check is crucial to confirm that the previous issues have been resolved, ensuring that the fuel level sensor operates properly. An effective verification process helps maintain vehicle reliability and enhances driver confidence regarding fuel availability. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0461, it is essential to implement routine maintenance practices focused on the fuel system. Regularly inspecting the fuel gauge sending unit and associated wiring can help catch potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Additionally, educating customers on proper refueling practices, such as refilling only when the tank is below a certain level and ensuring at least 1.3 US gallons per refill, is crucial. Establishing a routine check for any signs of leaks or external damages to the fuel system components can also contribute significantly to prevention efforts. These practices not only ensure accurate fuel readings, but also enhance overall vehicle performance and longevity. By proactively addressing maintenance, drivers can enjoy a smoother driving experience and reduce repair costs in the long run. In conclusion, a comprehensive understanding of DTC P0461 is paramount for effective vehicle servicing on the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. The significance of the fuel level sensor cannot be overstated, given its role in providing accurate fuel readings and maintaining vehicle performance. Additionally, implementing routine checks and ensuring proper refueling practices are essential to avoiding this DTC's recurrence. Furthermore, effective communication with vehicle owners regarding their refueling habits can significantly impact diagnostic accuracy and repair success. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, mechanics can efficiently address this code's presence, restoring the vehicle's fuel gauge functionality. Ultimately, instilling preventive maintenance and communication strategies will enhance the vehicle's reliability and the overall driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.